How to report wrong or missing items in Uber Eats. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, go to the wrong or missing items in Uber, and here you'll find all these options pop up. If the order you received included incorrect items or was missing, please let us know here. And now, in what was missing or incorrect, you can type in. After you have typed in what was missing or incorrect, you can also add a picture by clicking on Add a Picture. Then press on Email Address and add your email address where their support team can contact you. Click on I'm Not a Robot and submit it. After they review it, they will send you a feedback. And this is how to report wrong or missing items in Uber Eats. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.